This is our lecture 34, in which we are learning again yes-no questions or yes-no type questions. These yes-no type questions are being studied by us, or we are studying here with the help of the simple present tense, and the subjects are I, we, you, they, and yes-no type question is negative, means we are studying the negative structure or negative questions. The first question is, do I not hate my relatives? Do I not hate my relatives? Or don't I hate my relatives? Or don't I hate my relatives? The answers are, yes, I hate my relatives. Yes, I hate my relatives. Means here there are the two yes-no type questions. The first yes-no type question has begun with the helping verb do, and it has come in this way: do plus subject plus not plus main verb plus object and the remaining part. And the second question has been built up or has been spoken or written. How? Don't I hate, means here do I not hate. In this way we can speak, or we can speak or write don't I hate, don't I go, don't I go like this, or do I not go like this, we can speak or write. The second question is there, do we not play games for benefit? Do we not play games for benefit? Or don't we play games for benefit? The answers are, yes, we play games for benefit. Again, second answer is, yes, we play games for benefits. So again the same thing is there. The first question has begun like this, do we not? And second question has begun, don't we, like this, means do not we play and don't we play, like this. The question number third, do you not differentiate between you and others? Do you not differentiate between you and others? Or don't you differentiate between you and others? The answers are, yes, I differentiate between me and others. The second answer is the same, yes, I differentiate between me and others. Again, this is the same situation. Question number 4, do they not steal others' things? Do they not steal others' things, or don't they steal others' things? The answers are, yes, they steal others' things. Yes, they steal others' things. So again, the same situation is there. Means the first question has begun with, do they not steal and don't they steal, like this, and the answers are same. Now the next part is that we are now making the yes-no type questions with he, she, it, means when the subjects are he, she, it, and there is the simple present tense and the structure is negative. How can be those yes-no type questions, and how can be those answers? See, the first question is, does he not lie sometimes? Does he not lie sometimes, or doesn't he lie sometimes? The answers are yes, he lies sometimes. Second answer is yes, he lies sometimes. Here, the first question has begun. Does he not lie? And the second question is begun with, doesn't he lie? And the answers are same. The next question, does she not love some boys? Does she not love some boys? Doesn't she love some boys? Second question, doesn't she love some boys? The answers are yes, she loves some boys. The second answer is yes, she loves some boys. When we study the first question here, the first question has begun with, does she not love? And the second question is, doesn't she love? Means the beginning of these two questions is different, but they are the negative questions. The third question is there, does it not protect you always? Does it not? It means, for example, the book. Does it not protect you always? Doesn't it protect you always? The answers are yes, it protects me always. The second answer is yes, it protects me always. So here the first question has begun with, does it not protect? And the second question has begun with, doesn't it protect? So here we have seen, or we have completed the today's topic. Now here again I will tell you that stay safe, stay happy at homes, because corona is waiting outside. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.